Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to turn on location in Life 360 so your family or friends can see your real-time updates. So let's get started. First of all, step 1 is to enable location in Life 360. Open the Life 360 app and make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then tap on the setting gear in the corner. At the left side of your mobile you'll see the setting gear icon. Click on that and your setting of the Life 360 will open. Now select location sharing and make sure it's switched on for the circle you want. Go to the location sharing. As you can see, here is the location sharing. Now turn on the location on the circle you want. This ensures your location is visible to members of that circle. Step 2 is to check phone location settings. Next, go to your phone settings. Go to the phone settings and go to the privacy and location service in your iPhone, or you can simply search your location. If you have Android, search your location and simply turn on the location. And enable precise location. On iPhone, make sure precise location is turned on under Life 360 location setting. On Android, ensure high accuracy mode is enabled in location setting. This gives most accurate tracking. And that's it. Now you have successfully turned on location in Life 360 app. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.